Hey, what's up? I'm just a random Tampa Bay Lightning fan, a hardcore Tampa Bay Lightning fan, and today I'm going to be showing you a live game on my computer. Yeah, I got something on my computer. It's going to be tight. Yeah, I'm so psyched about it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, so I'm going to show you that game. Let's go. Come on, go, 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 go! Oh, God! So close. Come on, win this face-off. Yes! Go, 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 go! What a goal! Yeah! Woo! St. Louis! Yeah! Woo! Screw you, Washington! Screw you!
Yeah, good size and gets rid of the puck on those side-to-side plays. He'll be killing right here.
What? What? That was in! That ref is so blind! Jeez! Where's my gun? Where's my gun? Here it is. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it! Crap out of ammo. Okay, bye, random people that are watching this video. Go Lightning! Woo! See ya.